Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel D Creations Resources. We are looking at different aspects of research methodology. Today, let us talk about error analysis. Now, error analysis is a crucial step in scientific research, experimentation, and data analysis. So, as the name indicates, it involves identifying, quantifying, and interpreting the uncertainties and errors associated with measurements, calculations, and results. Now, there are different types of errors. So, let us speak about two prominent types of errors, which are systematic errors and random errors. Well, the name itself gives you a hint as to what the meaning would be or how you would be able to differentiate between these two types of errors. Fluctuation in voltage or fluctuation in temperature could be an example of random error. Such errors occur irregularly, so that's why the name random is associated, and they are unpredictable, right? So you do not know that suddenly a fluctuation will occur. Also, you if a random error occurs once, there is no way that you would be able to predict when a random error would occur in future, right? In other words, these are uncorrelated. Now let's go to the other type of error. An error due to miscalibration of the instrument would be a systematic error, because if the instrument is miscalibrated, that error is going to be shown in each and every reading that you record using it. So if you recall, when you must have used vernier calipers and micrometer screw gauge, you would have checked whether there is a zero error. So this is an example of a systematic error. Or if you are using a stopwatch and the hand of the clock, if it is not at the starting position correctly, if it is already showing 5 seconds late, then those 5 seconds will be carried out in every measurement that you make. So it's going to be a systematic error. So in other words, there is a consistency in the error shown. Now, in our earlier episode, we talked about accuracy and precision. So, you would realize that random error is mainly going to affect precision, because in precision, we were talking about how reproducible the same measurement is under equivalent circumstances. But if there is a sudden fluctuation, obviously it is going to show a very different reading, so it won't be reproducible, right? The accuracy of the measurement will mainly be affected by systematic errors, because if the error is systematic, repeatedly you will see that error and the measured values will appear to be very close to each other. So you would think that it's precise, but it's not accurate. Of course, in any measurement, you would want to minimize both the types of errors, that is, both random error as well as systematic errors. But at the same time, you should keep in mind that if due to circumstances you are not able to minimize the errors, at least then you should try to estimate the errors so that you can incorporate that uncertainty in whatever measurements you have made. And then further, when you are calculating and then finding out the result, you would need to incorporate this uncertainty. Thank you.